The best herbs for the parathyroid. Okay, first understand what causes misfunction of the parathyroid. It's acids and mucus, okay, buildup will affect the glands. You want to remove this acid and mucus, and the way to do that is with 100% fruit diet, okay, 100% fruits. Okay, this is because 100% fruit diet is going to remove the mucus and help you eliminate acids and waste affecting the glands, okay? And then we want to use herbs to clean the kidneys, the lymphatic system, the adrenals, the bowels, and the endocrine glands. The bowels especially are crucial because remember that the head sits on the GI tract. If the GI tract is clogged, the bowels are clogged, you're not going to be able to remove the waste. If the kidneys are not working properly, are not filtering waste out properly, the acids will back up from the lymph system and to affect the glands, okay? So you want to make use of endocrine herbs and take care of the whole body as a whole, okay? But the two predominant herbs you can use for the parathyroid are chase tree berry and dandelion, okay? Chase tree berry it targets directly the parathyroid, okay, as well as the pineal gland, as well as the pituitary gland. And dandelion, it has a high mineral content, which is fantastic for the parathyroid. So 100% fruit diet and the fabulous 5 herbs, and herbs that contain chase tree berry and dandelion, and you see this get better.